Hi, this is Pavitra Kumar, founder of NPPD. So today we will be talking about why you should stop consuming cow's milk. ये जो टॉपिक है दिस इज अ कॉमन टॉपिक. आप लोगों को बहुत सारा इंफॉर्मेशन ऑलरेडी होगा आई थिंक, बट स्टिल लेट मी टेल यू अबाउट फ्यू थिंग्स. सो द फर्स्ट थिंग इज ये जो प्रोसेस है, द प्रोसेस ऑफ कंज्यूमिंग मिल्क और गेटिंग द काउज मिल्क इज अ वेरी मोनोटोनस प्रोसेस. अगर आप इंडिया में हो, इफ यू नो अबाउट द प्रोसेस देन इट इज ग्रेट. इफ यू डू नॉट नो अबाउट द प्रोसेस आई विल सजेस्ट यू टू गो एंड सर्च इन यूट्यूब. तो आपको पता चलेगा. आई एम नॉट एलाबोरेटिंग इट, बट इट इज अ इंडस्ट्रियलाइज्ड प्रोसेस जिसमें कि बहुत पेनफुल प्रोसेस से दे टेक द काउज एंड उसके बाद भी व्हेन दे आर प्रोसेसिंग द मिल्क to enhance the longevity of the milk, I will not take the company's name or something like that. उसमें बहुत सारा preservatives add होता है and those preservatives are not at all good. The preservatives they add because to increase the shelf life of milk. आपने देखा होगा बहुत सारे offices, corporate sectors में there are packeted milk which comes which they consume for and when they use it for months together, 1 month 45 days ऐसा करके उसका shelf life होता है. And उसमें they have a process where they extract the nutrition out of it and they insert some preservatives जो अच्छा नहीं होता है. तो if you are getting very pure milk, if you are in a village or a small city and if you are able to get the pure milk, that is okay, but still I will suggest you not to have this packeted milk because उसमें processing जो होता है that is a cumulative process. Second thing is if you are having any chronic diseases like diabetes या फिर hormonal, mostly if you are having any hormonal imbalance, then आपको milk consume नहीं करना चाहिए because it deteriorates that hormonal imbalance. जब तक आपका condition अच्छा नहीं हो जाता है you should avoid completely having milk, cow's milk. ठीक है. The third point is if you are on any kind of medication, कुछ भी medication अगर आप हो, then cow's milk should not be taken. I am not telling that it will be having a reaction. तो क्या होता है कि cow's milk is a very rich food having so many macro and micronutrients plus so many minerals. तो क्या हो सकता है when you are taking you are on any kind of medication, उसका reaction हो सकता है. I am not telling it will happen and happen. There is no proof like that. There are some theories, there are some papers, publications on these factors. But to avoid risk, you should stop consuming milk exactly on that time when you are on medication. ठीक है. तो नंबर 4 is if you are on weight loss. तो एक myth है in Indian families that milk हमेशा कंज्यूम करना चाहिए. It's not that. मिल्क हमेशा कंज्यूम नहीं करना चाहिए because mostly if you are on weight loss, मिल्क आपको कंज्यूम नहीं करना है because that will not be affected in your weight loss journey. आप बहुत effort कर रहे होगे to lose some weight, shed some calories, you will be on diet, you will be on fitness journey. But if you are consuming milk, तो आपका जो weight loss journey है that will affect and your weight loss process will be slower. ठीक है. So these are some points which I told about why you should not consume milk. Like I will tell you about the substitute which you can take instead of cow's milk. तो आप soy milk ले सकते हो, almond milk ले सकते हो, and the best substitute is coconut milk. Coconut milk is a very good food if you can inculcate that in a daily manner. बहुत ही अच्छा होगा. And yeah, there are some other milk products also which you can see. So these are the few points which I needed to say you. If you have anything else on cow's milk or anything else which you need us to make the videos on, you can comment down below and we'll be making it further. Thank you.